Welcome to the weekly update. I want to start off by congratulating the music students who qualified for the New York State School Music Association Conference All-State Performing Groups. We are incredibly proud to have you representing your schools and the district at the annual Winter Conference in Rochester as members of the Symphony Orchestra, Symphonic Band, and Mixed Chorus. From orchestra, band, and chorus, our students continue to excel and accomplish incredible things. I also want to thank our music educators for their dedication and leadership in guiding our students on their music journey. Congratulations and job well done. As we move through the winter months, I want to remind our families and staff to monitor for signs and symptoms of the cold, flu, and COVID-19. If you or your child has signs or symptoms such as a fever, sore throat, and intense cough, please keep them home. Information on the cold, flu, and COVID-19 is available on the district website. Additionally, if you need a COVID-19 at-home test kit, please contact your building and they can provide one. Students and staff will receive 2 kits per request. On Monday, our elementary schools have half days due to parent-teacher conferences. Dismissal times are available on each school's WITS event calendar. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to your building directly. As part of Universal Human Rights Month, this week we honored Malala Yousafzai, a Pakistani education activist for girls. In 2012, she was attacked by the Taliban for her advocacy and activism and was not expected to survive her injuries. However, she recovered and has continued to speak out. In 2013, she founded the Malala Fund, a nonprofit organization dedicated to the advocacy of girls' education. 2 years later, she also opened an all-girls school for Syrian refugees. Malala was honored with the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014, becoming the youngest ever to receive the award. Finally, don't forget, the PTSA Holiday Craft Show is this weekend at Heim Middle and Heim Elementary Schools. You can check out more than 175 vendors on Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. An informational flyer is available in the weekly newsletter. Please enjoy the weekend and we'll see you next week.